So in his joint address to Congress tonight, President Trump spoke about his newly created Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, which is headed by Elon Musk. Now, that department, or the Department rather, of Veterans Affairs has been part of those government-wide cuts. The administration says they are to make agencies more efficient and effective. More than 2,000 VA employees have been dismissed. That's nationwide, including some positions here in Northeast Ohio. News 5's Kaylee Oliva sat down with one woman tonight. Kaylee, she told you she lost her job after devoting her life, she says, to helping veterans with their mental health.
Yeah, Katie, that's right. That woman we talked to is a former Cleveland VA employee. Now, she wishes to remain anonymous for fear of retaliation and for her own safety. She says despite the VA saying that these layoffs will not affect veteran care, she wholeheartedly believes it'll have a detrimental impact.
I was a psychology technician. I administered and scored neuropsychological testing for individuals with neurological conditions, things such as stroke, concussion, TBI, PTSD, along those lines.
How long were you at the Cleveland VA?
I was there for about 7 months. I really wanted to work with veterans. I was really excited to work with our veterans and be able to, as cliche as it sounds, like serve those who served us.
But on February 24th, over email, she was fired, effective immediately. She says despite a 5-star review from her supervisors she recently received, a termination letter from the chief human capital officer says because her performance doesn't meet a certain level, her continued employment isn't in the public's interest.
We were told we were patient-facing and direct patient care and we wouldn't be affected. But then I was sitting at my computer and filing through some emails, and all of a sudden it came through.
Did any of your supervisors know that this was coming?
They had absolutely no idea.
She's one of more than 2,400 probationary employees let go from the VA as part of a, quote, government-wide Trump administration effort to make agencies more efficient, effective, and responsive to the American people. The VA saying only non-mission critical employees were let go, which is supposed to save the department nearly $200 million, meant to be redirected back towards health care and benefits.
The reality is, with somebody like President Trump that puts America first, I'm very confident that we're always going to put our veterans first.
The VA already undergoing a severe staffing shortage, according to the latest Inspector General report. At Cleveland VA alone, the report states the psychology department is one suffering the most. The former Cleveland VA employee we spoke with says by eliminating her position in psychology, it will only make matters worse.
When I first started back in June, our wait list was upwards of 5 months. When we were terminated, we had it down to about 2 weeks. So I think that's pretty substantial in how critical our roles were.
But when we asked the VA this week about services affected, the department says there's no negative impact. We also, again, asked for definitive numbers as to how many people in Northeast Ohio have been fired by the agency. A spokesperson says, quote, Northeast Ohio healthcare system last week dismissed a small number of probationary staff, and that services provided by those fired will be offset onto other employees. Asking once more why layoff numbers aren't being released. We're told the VA stands by their statement. While the VA refuses to provide more information, this former Cleveland VA employee says she's been told 43 employees have been terminated from that facility alone.
It's been really difficult every day. I feel like I'm grieving such a loss of what I was able to give to the community, and it's just truly devastating.
That former Cleveland VA employee you just heard from says her supervisors are working tirelessly to get her job back. But so far, no updates. We'll continue to follow through as this develops. For News 5, I'm Kaylee Oliva.